Wait, outside the movie. Yeah, brother!
What's up,
What's up, man? Hey! What's up? Did he flip us off?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Do it before they see me.
You ready?
Here we go.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know what go.
Just keep recording everything.
Ready, set, no.
What's up, brothers?
Go.
Oh, wait. Blow it.
Yeah, go.
They didn't know where the fucking.
Yeah.
What's up, brother?
Good.
So not.
Oh my god! Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
Hey, just leave me alone. Are you getting along?
Yeah, two guys go. Yeah, go. Yeah.
Nice siren, man. Did yours have a train horn? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No. I can't. Oh, I just blurred it.
Mine came with a train horn.